Hey guys, welcome to my live. I'm here every single day doing live trades, showing you guys how I make money daily. Please make sure to give me a follow, join the Discord link in my bio, and get access to a ton of information and knowledge. Of course, it's a great place to hang out, learn without having to pay anything. Again, good morning. We're watching gold, XAU USD, trading on TradeXN. It's the name of the broker. Using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars up here. Again, these only move off points and not time. Looking for a long position trade with gold, as we just had this pullback. We are oversold on the RSI, watching the PSA to see if it is going to do a reversal, and then watching the range bars as well. Trade up now on BTC USD. These have those audio signals as well as part of our risk management trading that we do here as well. Yeah, it's always about protecting our capital all the time, only using 1% of our account, put no stop losses and take profits in place. A lot of traders end up making the mistakes of just using way too much of their account, and that's why we always just use that 1%. They lack consistency with their strategies as well, so they're never sticking with one strategy all the time. They're always looking for the new thing, but it's really, really important to stick with something for a longer time. They trade out of emotions as well, using stop losses and take profit. Get rid of all the emotions as well. There's trade down now on BTC USD. Again, these range bars are free. You can get them in the link in my bio. They're just on a streaming service that I do provide. And then new traders as well, they trade out of boredom. Even if it's flat market, they just want to jump into it, but highly advised not to do that. You want to be looking for volume and bigger moves. As right now the market's getting ready to open here shortly, which makes a lot of the other stuff move as well. Like, so we're watching gold, seeing if we can catch a reversal, as it's already been in this downtrend here, and we want to catch it after it changes direction. So if I would have bought in trying to buy up now, I would have lost out as it's still moving down. So we're going to see how that plays out. We also do have crypto stocks, forex, and indices here as well. So we have our cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and LTC USD. Then we have gold, oil, S&P 500, Russell, and NASDAQ as well. And then we have forexes and stocks. Hello, what's going on, Raz? Welcome you guys. Break, Adon, Alexander, Marion, Skillet, Jojo. Welcome all you guys to my live. So we're watching XAU USD this morning. See if we can catch a reversal long position out of that. Again, just look for 50-point trades, doing the 1-to-1 ratio. This is all still derivative trading. This is not options or futures. It's just derivative trading, which means that we can make money going up and going down either direction. It's not like the stock market where you're trying to be an investor and only buy when the market is going up. We can make money going both directions. Again, we're able to do this using TradeXN is the name of the broker here as well. So like I said, we're watching gold, XAU USD here, waiting to see if we can catch a reversal. It looks like it's currently shorting right now. Hey, Dance Dog, what's going on? Can anyone give me a follow? Cute pets in my profile. What? Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can take that to your own live. All right. So again, we're just watching gold. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. Hey, Neil Allen Realtor, thank you for the follow. Do appreciate that. And Drummer, thank you for that as well. Drummers may reverse around 2016. Yeah. I know there is an order block right around there, so I'm waiting to see how that's going to go as well. I do use TradingView as well, and we're sitting in an order block on the 15-minute time frame here, so I am waiting to see if this is going to bounce off and come back up. So there's a lot of order block buys in right now, right here at 2016, like you said. So we'll see if this does a reversal. Again, I'm also watching the range bars here to catch that reversal as well. Like I said, it gives that audio signal too. So we use multiple indicators here. Again, we have the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars. And like I said, the range bars are free to use. They don't cost anything. Just takes your email to sign up. Those are in the link in my bio. Again, to everybody who's just joining my live, welcome. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Like I said, the range bars have crypto stocks, Forex, and indices. Again, those are all free to use. They don't cost anything. Again, they run directly off my servers and are available for anyone to use completely for free. So make sure you give a click on the live button to make sure when you're using these that they are running live. If you go to the bottom here, there's a little live button here, and then make sure that your audio is on so you get the audio signal as well. It says that they give a clear direction of which way the market is going. It's not like the typical candles that are all over the place. These are very linear and easy to read, right? You just have your bars going up or bars going down. So there's not a mess of being all over the place. Again, it's why we're watching gold right now. It's just trending down. Each one of the bars is worth like 20 points. So we're usually looking for about a 50-point trade, which is about 10 bars. So it looks like we may be getting that reversal here and push off of that 2016. Kind of like Drummer was saying. So we'll see if this will do a reversal. The RSI again is oversold right now. So we're looking for that to bounce off as well. The PSAR to change direction, saying that we're moving up, and then again with the range bar. So all that together is giving us an informed decision of buying into a trade. So like I said, we will be watching that. We do have the stock market opening here in like 9 minutes. So we should be getting some movement from that as well. We may jump into a Tesla trade as well. We'll see how that goes also. Let's see. All right, while we're waiting for that, see if we can go to, where's Tesla? Tesla is oversold already. It's heading back up. It looks like PSAR is on bottom, meaning we are heading up. So we will look to jump into that, possibly do a long position here as it's been trending sideways. Oh, it's on the day chart. Well, it's been trending sideways on the day chart for a minute. If we go to the 5-minute current chart here, if it'll load. Let's see. Did it load? It's being slow. All right, we'll do a restart on there. Let's see what's going on. All right, let's see. It looks like Ethereum and BTC-USD are changing direction. They've been dropping all night. Maybe we can catch a good trade on those as well. Oh, Rodney, I just trade the stock itself. I don't trade options on it. Apparently my platform is being slow. Let's see what's going on. So yeah, gold is breaking through here. Oh, we at 2014. I thought it might bounce off of this order block. Apparently it's still dropping through, and this is exactly why we wait, right? We use the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars to let us know. And as you can see, it is currently still dropping. Why is this being slower than molasses? If you are in the United States, you do have to use a VPN in order to connect with the range bars as well. All right, yeah, Bitcoin is moving up. We were watching gold here. Let's get back to that. Yeah, as you can see, it is still trading out. Oh, we wanted to look at Tesla, didn't we? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Tesla. So Tesla, yeah, bounced off for RSI. Yeah, gold is really moving down. I wanted to catch that. Let's see what Tesla's doing real quick. Yeah, so Tesla's moving down on the 15-minute here. We do have an order block at 191. So they may continue down. We'll have to see. It may end up bouncing off this order block though, because it's already broken through this last order, the sales order block. So I would expect a bounce off this morning. So we will watch for that as we see here on TradeXN. Oh, again, it's on the day chart. Doggone. Keep forgetting to do that. So it's already bouncing off here on TradeXN. The RSI is up to about 60, 70. Let's see if we can catch that. Yeah, maybe this morning here in just a little while when it opens. All right, we'll get back to gold. Let's see USD here. Okay, I want to see if I can catch a long position on gold, as it's already been dropping real heavy. It's way oversold, so we're definitely going to keep an eye on that for sure. Holy crap, it's really dropping. Look at that. He's worse than next 15-minute. We're in that order block right now, so I guess we'll wait, because that is really moving. Puffix, he says, how do you go live? You have to have, I think it's 1,000 followers in order to start going live. Mana, DKNG. No, I'm not going to start pulling up other trades right now. I'm watching gold. Again, welcome to my live, you guys. We're trading on TradeXN, to name the broker. No trading fees and low spreads. We have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So we're currently watching gold right now. He says, I can't find it. It's on the bottom of your TikTok screen. If you scroll all the way over to the right, you'll see your live button. You have to click your live button. And that's how you'll go live. Oh, hey, thanks, Puffix. Pufftex. Appreciate it. All right. So again, we are watching gold. This is currently tanking here. I'm expecting it to bounce off. It could come all the way down here, the bottom of the order block. 2013.45 or so looks like. We'll see if it'll bounce off that edge. Yeah. If you have enough followers, then you should be able to go live. I think it was 1,000 is where you needed to be at to do that. And then we're watching the range bars here as well. Make sure that we're still live. Yep. That is reversing. So we've gotten a reversal here on gold. It may still just have been a pullback and continuation, but it looks like we're starting to slow down and catch this reversal. Like I said, we're waiting to see if it's going to break through this order block, which, see, we're trending up here and it even broke through that. So, but we're right at that last lower low as well. So that's that lower low. And that's where it's kind of stopping. So I think we may end up jumping into a long position here. Let's see, break and brag. New to this, brother. Ideal, I'm assuming it is to buy it once it bottoms outright, then sell it at its peak. Right. So we're just looking for that reversal, as it's already been dropping a lot on the 5-minute time frame here. And again, we're only doing like 50-point trades, 50 to 100-point trades. So any kind of a decent reversal is what we're looking for after a big move, especially this one dropping as much as it is. And we have the order block sitting here, so I'm waiting to see if it's going to bounce again off this about 2013 here, which I do believe it will, since it already broke through the order blocks of the sellers. It should stop at the buyer block, and we'll catch this reversal. So what time is it? Stock market is about to open. So we got what we got left on 12 seconds. So Tesla's about to open here. Let's see, 1 minute. That is starting to come online. All right, again, we're watching gold. 5-minute time, 15-minute time frame. Actually, let's flip over to the 5-minute, so we get a more accurate reading of what's going on here. That is still all yellow, so it's still dropping. We'll say again, we'll see if we can catch a reversal once it shows us it's actually going to reverse. Slow M, what's going on? Again, with Break Brad. Welcome to my live, you guys. So we're currently watching gold, XAU, USD. We're trading on TradeXN. No trading fees, low spreads. Crypto stocks, Forex, and indices. So we're watching the RSI. If it's under 30, then it's oversold, which it is right now. So that's starting to peek its head up. And then we use the PSAR. So if the dots are on top, it means we're trending down. If they are on bottom, we are trending up. So we're looking for that reversal. And then we're using the range bars here as well. This has already started a reversal. So I think I might actually end up jumping into this. What was my goal? 3. So this needs to be 0.3. All right, I'm going to jump into this one here. All right, so now we have our order in. We'll do our stop loss of $50. And that is set. And then we do the same thing for take profit. All right. So now we have our stop loss and take profit in place. Again, just looking for a 50-point trade. We'll see if this will move on up here. All right. Again, welcome to my live. We're trading crypto stocks, Forex, and indices this morning. The stock market did just open. Let's go see what Tesla is doing, why that one is moving. This is the other benefit of using stop loss and take profit, is I don't have to worry about my trade. It will automatically close for me, either in profit or loss. I don't have to sit here and watch it. I can jump onto other things while we're moving along here. So let's see. So Tesla. Let's go see what Tesla is doing. Since she just opened up. Yeah, so Tesla is still heading down right now. Right out the gate of the market opening. Let's get back to that 5-minute time frame here. Yeah, so it's tanking. But we've already been in this long downtrend for the last like couple of hours. What was this, in 6 o'clock? I reversed it 6. So it's already been 3 hours, been trending down. So I'd be waiting on that one too. It's in the order block for sale. So we'll see if that will end up reversing also. So I'll keep an eye on that for sure. Again, welcome to my live, you guys. I'm here every single day trading. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more, complete for free, follow and join the Discord link in my bio. We have a ton of information on how to use the range bars, how to set up TradeXN as well. And again, those only move off points and not time, right? That one is currently, my stocks are currently down, but we do have Forex, like I was saying. We have indices. So gold and oil, Nasdaq, Russell, and Dow Jones, S&P 500, BTC, LTC, XRP, and Ethereum on our crypto. All right, so let's see, Tesla. All right, so there's Tesla just decided to do a reverse. So it bounced off. Man, it's moving now. Shit, should have caught that. All right, so that just. All right, it's moving now. It decided to see it faked out after the open. It's definitely looking for a reversal here. What we got going on is definitely all right. So we just got the PSAR here on bottom. It's gonna push up. What was Tesla? I think that was one. It's like. All right, so we'll buy it into Tesla. Is that PSAR just reversed? And we're above the 50 again on the RSI. So again, stop loss in place. We'll do 50 and our take profit 50 as well. All right, there we go. So we got our stop loss and take profit in place. All right, so we'll see how that one ends up playing out. I think I got my spreads way too far apart. You're able to change these. You're not able to drag and drop. There's BTC USD, says trade down now, so that is shorting. Again, all stuff is in the link in my bio. You guys can check all that out for free. All right, again, on the 5-minute time frame, we are watching Tesla as it looks like it has decided to push back after trading down all night. We'll see how that will end up playing out. Looks like we did lose that trade in gold as it pulled back a little bit more than I thought it was going to. So we'll go back to that to say USD. 15-minute. Where's that? So there's that order block. Trade down now. USD. So it did bounce off that order block. USD. So we'll wait for this PSAR to change direction just to confirm it, and then we'll jump into another long position here. Again, we're only trading 1% of our account using a 1-to-1 ratio and only trading like $50 per trade. So we're not risking more again than 1% of my whole entire account. So I'm not worried about burning the whole entire thing. A lot of people end up just trading way too much and risking too much of their account. You do that a couple times, your whole account is gone. By only using 1%, I'm not risking the whole entire balance. And I can trade for a long time and make up any kind of small losses that I might have had. Again, the range bars have a 61% win rate, and that's why I do use them. Again, they only move off points and not time. They are in the link in my bio, or you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and you can get them there as well. Like I said, they're free to use. They don't cost anything. And the reason I do come live too is I'm trying to grow my Discord to have an area where people can come and talk about crypto, stocks, Forex, and all that. And that's free as well. I'm not charging anything for it. So if you want to check that out, we're just under 100 members and growing. So it's a smaller community, but we are trying to make it a bigger community as we go. Trade up now on ETH. Trade up now on ETH. So we just got the audio signal for that as well. Again, gold, we're just wait for this PSAR to confirm this reversal. Hey, David, thanks for the follow. Do appreciate that. Dwayne Shavers, how you guys going this morning? Again, thank you guys, and thanks for all the likes as well. Hitting that screen does help out
Trade down now.
my algorithm as well.
Trade down now on BTC USD.
Trade down now on BTC USD. Again, getting that audio signal. All right, so we got gold here, still pulling back. Another pullback. Again, we're just looking for pullbacks and reversals here. As you can see, Dow Jones was trending up. It had a pullback. Looks like it's trying to move up. Gold looks like it's going up. S&P 500 is indecisive right now. The Russell looks like it's heading up as well. And then NASDAQ might be reversing. All right, so Tesla, we are in profit right now. That is moving up.
Trade up now, BTC USD.
Yeah, so we're in profit right now. PSAR is on the bottom here. It keeps reverting to my day chart. All right, either on the 5-minute, that's moving up as well. So we're in profit there. And then gold, again, we're waiting for this PSAR to change to confirm that we are uptrending. We did bounce off the 25 on the RSI here as well. And then watching the range bars, they had this pullback. So it looks like it's still maybe trying to continue a downtrend. So again, that's why we're watching that PSAR. I tried jumping in a minute ago. I probably should have waited. Not a big deal. Again, that's why we're only using 1% of our accounts. Just in case a trade goes against us, we're not burning our whole entire account. And we're just using that 1-to-1 ratio. So we're only doing like 50 points up, 50 points down. And like I said, I come live all the time just trying to grow my Discord community. Again, it is free to use, but I want to have an area where people can go and help each other with trading. It's always better to have a group instead of trying to do everything by yourself. You know, and if you're having a bad day and you're just not quite sure what you're doing, having a group to go to really does help in your trading strategies as well, because somebody can kind of bounce stuff off of as well. So again, all that is free. You can go to the link in my bio to see all that as well.
Trade down now, ETHUSD. Trade down now on ETH.
Trade down now on Ethereum. So it is important too to understand anybody who is new to trading that really want to get into it. It takes about $10,000 to $50,000 because you're only risking like that 1%. The reason for this is we make small percentage gains on a regular basis, and that 1%, say like on $10,000, is $100. So I'm practicing and testing strategies. Like I used to start off like $1,000 to $5,000. And because you could do your volume at 0.01, so you're only trading like pennies to a dollar. All right, so you can trade over and over again and not risk your whole entire balance. And as you get better, more confident, whatever, then it's to actually make a living at it. It's better to have like $10,000 to $50,000 in your account and go from there. So I have $28,000 here. Again, I'm only using 1% when I am trading, and it's consistency is really what trading is all about, doing it for a long time. Again, sticking with a good strategy for sure. If I go to my
trade down now, BTC USD. Trade down now.
Like we're down a little bit on the first trade this morning, but not really a big deal. If we go to like the last 7 days though, I'm up $511. As you can see, there are losses. There's going to be losses. You're not going to win every single trade. Like I said, the range bars here have a 61% win rate. If I go like the last 30 days as well, we're up $1,600 this month. Again, we have, wins and losses. You can see, we have, it's not a win every single time, but it's that consistent trading is really where it's at. So as long as you're having more wins than losses, you're going to slowly grow your account. Again, only using 1% of our account when trading here. All right, let's see. So gold definitely looks like it is reversing now. It's solidly bounced off of that. And it's waiting for that PSAR to change over, confirm that we've changed direction and are moving up. And we are still in profit here on Tesla. That looks like it's moving up this morning as well. And if you guys have any questions, please hit me up. And I really like having my music going, but I noticed I kept getting kicked off of TikTok, and I think it was due to the music I was playing in the background. So I've decided to go without it, but it definitely helps with trading for sure. Also, I do want to emphasize I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community. So definitely give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Also, if you do use TradeXN, I do get a commission off of that, just so that people understand that when you guys register. So please use my link. The commission comes off of TradeXN itself, not from you guys. Like I said, there's no commissions, trading fees, and we have really low spreads on TradeXN as well. If you are in the US, you have to use a VPN. This is an offshore broker. Again, this is it is TradeXN. All right, let's see what's going on with gold. So gold is still pushing back. Oh, we actually got a PSA reversal here. So I think I'm going to end up jumping into this. Let's see what the range bar is doing. Range bars, wait on this to turn. Yeah, so we're getting green there as well. What was my goal? That was 0.3. All right. So we're going to jump into that one more time. Let's see. Just kind of waiting to see if we get a confirmation here on the range bars. Or not, again, because these only move off points and not time. So this bar doesn't care that 5 minutes have gone by. It only cares that the direction of the market has changed. All right, let's see. We're going to get that confirmation.
Trade up now on ETH. USD.
Trade up now on ETH.
USD.
So Ethereum is moving on up. Again, watching those range bars for point reversal.
Trade down now.
Hey, Kenty, thank you for the follow. Do appreciate that. And Blue Pips, again, thank you guys for the follows as well. And thanks for hitting the like buttons as well. That does help out my TikTok algorithm, of course. So again, like I said, consistency is what it's all about with trading. Staying with a good strategy that works. Like I said, the range bars have a 61% win rate. So if you do it over time, right, you're going to make money. Any kind of business, they make profit in small gains. That's exactly what we're doing here. You're not going to turn $1,000 into $100,000 overnight, right? You have to grow your account slowly over time. And that's how you'll end up doing well in the end. I've been using TradeXN as well for just over, I think, 2 years now. Time's definitely flying by. They've been a great broker. And like I said, they have no trading fees and low spreads. I've been trading myself for 3 years, just over 3 years now. And I learned trading I ended up learning doing stocks and all that. Now I'm doing cryptos as well. BTC is usually my go-to as well because it trades 24/7. It's not just when the stock market is
now,
open.
BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC USD.
Trade up now on BTC USD. Again, watching gold here, see if this range bar is going to end up giving us a full green bar here, so we can continue trading up. We did get that PSAR on the bottom here. Again, we're just on that 5-minute time frame, looking to do a 50-point trade, but I would like to catch a good reversal here. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. We use take profit and stop loss when we are trading to protect our account. It also gets rid of greed, so we don't have to sit here and watch the trade as well. It will automatically trade for or sell for us when it hits that take profit or stop loss. So that stop loss in place, you're always protecting your account at all times. You have to decide what is the most that you're willing to possibly lose in a trade. Anytime you're in a trade, there is that potential. So having the stop loss in place is really critical as well. And then you're not freaking out over it because you've already put that into place, understanding that that's how a trade can possibly go. And then you always have that take profit in place as well, in case your trade does go, of course, the way that you like. And you don't have to sit here holding the button waiting for it to do something. You can move on to other trades. You can go to other things and just let your trade play out. So again, we're just doing a 1-to-1 ratio here, 50 points up and 50 points down. And it looks like gold is still trying to push back, but we'll see here. Again, waiting on a reversal as well. And you have to be patient when it comes to trading as well. Not everything is instant. Sometimes I'll jump into a trade, and by the time I hit the button, it's already in my profit or my sell. So it just depends. So it's always really important to always get that stop loss put in place first, and then your take profit as well. Hey Sam, what's going on? It says stop loss and take profit. Yes. Do you use your stop loss and take profit? Hopefully you do, from what it sounds like. They really are vital to trading for sure. All right, let's see here. So again, 5-minute time frame.
BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC USD.
Still waiting for this bar here on the range bars to give us full confirmation that we have changed direction and are moving up. Kenty, options on TradingView? I don't think. Oh, my opinion on TradingView. Sorry, I read that wrong. Oh, I love TradingView. I absolutely use that. All right, we just got confirmation here. I'm jumping into gold. Again, we'll set these. Oops, let me set my stop loss first, like I just told everybody else. 50 points or $50 down on that trade, which is like 50 points. And then 50 going up. So I have our take profit and stop loss in place here. And we'll end up seeing how that trade plays out. So we had a full bar there on gold, but maybe it ended up reversing. I probably waited, I jumped in just a hair too soon. But we'll see how that plays out. Again, we always just leave that in place, have our take profit and stop loss in place.
Trade down now, ETH USD.
Trade down now on ETH USD. Looks like Tesla is bouncing back and forth a little bit this morning. So I said we're still in profit there, but it did have a pretty big drop. So we'll see if that's going to continue up this morning. All right, so then we got gold as well. Looks like it's trying to push back up again, so we may end up making that trade. But yeah, TradingView is awesome. I absolutely do use it all the time. I use the order blocks here on TradingView. As TradingView's free. If you can build indicators, then it doesn't cost anything. You can put all those together.
Trade up now. BTC USD.
Is what I end up doing as well. So like you have all this coding all together. If you put a couple together, then you can use TradingView for free. as well if you know how to do any kind of coding at all. So it does make it beneficial. Looks like gold's still trying to push off of this order block here, but we already dropped through the short order block, so I would expect this to try and push back up this morning. All right. All right, what time is it? 9 o'clock. So I do have to jump off here in a few minutes, as I still have a 9 to 5 to go to. And that because I'm changing jobs here soon too. I will be going on lives in the evening and not in the morning anymore. Or it'll be early morning, probably about 2-3 hours before the stock market opens. Maybe get some trades in with some Bitcoin or Ethereum, maybe some XRP. And again, these are off the range bars here. These only move off points, right, and not time. And then I'm doing derivative trading. It's not options or futures. It's just derivative trading, meaning we can make money going up or money going down. Hey, Sam, thank you for the follow. I do appreciate that. So it looks like gold is still trying to push on down. Again, we were following the PSAR, the RSI, which was oversold, saying that we were starting to move up, and it's decided to go sideways. PSAR on bottom, saying that we're trending up. And then again, we're using the range bars. Again, you never know what the market is going to do, as it changes every second of every day. So we always put those stop losses and take profit in place, because even though it might say it's doing one thing, it may end up doing the other. So this protects our account so you don't lose your whole balance. And like I said, we only use 1%. We're using risk management where you're trading, doing 50 points up, doing 50 points down. But it really comes down to is protecting your capital at all times. That's where it really, really matters. Is you should just go into a trade assuming you may end up losing it. So you're wanting to protect and have the smallest losses as possible and have the biggest wins, right? So again, keep your losses small. Having those stop losses in place are very, very vital. What is my week forecast on USD JPY? Let me see. The weekly is it's trying to come back up. Let me make some bars here. So the high was 151.932. 140.274 was the last low that it bounced off here. So it is moving on up. Let's see if I put the RSI in place. And then I'll go look at RSI is above the 50, so that's moving up there. Let's see. And we'll check this one real quick before I jump off. Weekly. Let's see. Yeah, so that's above the averages. Yeah, it looks like it's still moving up. It's going to try and break that last high of 151.94. So we go to the monthly so we can actually look ahead. Well, that's the... see, I don't really do weeklies. That's so far. Well, 2003. So we're on as high as we've been, right? So you're in like basically unknown territory since 2003. If we go to the, well, let's go with 4 hour. That gives us more of an accurate. There we go. So right now you're hitting an order block on the 4 hour. It's hitting in an order block. So it's going to have to break through though that, get up above 149.66. If it's going to move up, that next order block is 151.62. So if it breaks through this order block in the next day or two, then you do have a possible continuation up. The PSAR is on bottom as well. The RSI is above the 50. So yeah, it could very well go up. But again, it's going to have to break through this. As you're in a support or a resistance right now. If you look back at December, that is, if you look back at December, you definitely have a resistance line there that it has to break through. So who knows what this is going to do, but I would keep an eye on it. Because it could go any direction right now as it's in the middle of those. So all right, so it's 9 o'clock. I do have to jump off. I got to get ready for work.
Trade down now on ETH.
Hey Kenty, how do you choose which currency or stock to work with? Well, I usually stick between gold, XAUSD, Ethereum, Bitcoin, USD, EUR USD. I'm usually my go-tos. And then a lot of times I'll watch Tesla, and it just depends on how the market is moving. And that's how I decide. Like if I watch the RSI, the PSAR, and then the range bars, like I said. So these range bars give me a lot of direction as well. So again, those are all in the link in my bio. Again, give me a follow, you guys. I do have to jump off and get going to work. I am on here as much as possible, so I try to be on every single day. So give me a follow. Again, join the Discord where I give tons of information in there as well. And we are a growing community, so definitely check that out. All right, well, I got to take off. Again, thank you guys for following along on the live. Do appreciate you. Hopefully, I will see you in the Discord. Again, check out TradeXN, have no trading fees and low spreads. Again, they have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. All that is in the link in my bio. All right, you guys, I'll see you later.